Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to talk to you about walking backwards in infinity circles while you keep your eyes fixed on an object in front of you, and you're going to be my object. This is a great way to connect both hemispheres of your brain to get in some good mobility in your feet, to get in some good mobility in your hips, and it also helps increase your spatial awareness. What I mean by that is you got to kind of know where you're at to be able to pull this off. You can use two chairs in your home or some two foam rollers or whatever you got. I have two posts that are strategically located inside of the Original Strength Institute. Anyway, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to keep my eyes on you. At least I'm going to try to, with peripheral awareness and an idea of where my poles are, but I'm still looking at you. How you doing? While I walk backwards, turning on my glutes, turning off my hip flexors. When my glute reaches back, watch that rope. Situational awareness. And again, I'm still looking at you the whole time. Now I got to be aware of my rope. Hey, there we go. But as you can see, you have to stay mentally engaged. It's a fun way to explore movement where you're at. Fun way to just give your brain a little bit of movement candy, if you will. Again, it helps connect both hemispheres of your brain. You're drawing infinity circles, spatial, situational awareness. I don't recommend you stepping over a round rope in your home. That's really dangerous. I shouldn't have done that. But it was actually a good example of where is the room around me and how can I navigate the room without necessarily looking at the room, without necessarily taking my eyes off of you. Anyway, it's a fun way to play. It's a fun way to move. I think you'll enjoy it. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net to register.